What's up, peeps? This is Day One Adventures, and today we're going to Sandusky, Ohio, to Cedar Point, known as the roller coaster capital of the world. This is my trip from in May. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you a couple of my pointers on how to maximize your visit to Cedar Point. So, time for an adventure. May at Cedar Point hits different. The weather is cool, the lines are moving, and the Titans are calling. Today, we're riding 3 of the absolute best roller coasters at the park, in my opinion. Millennium Force, Maverick, and the newly reimagined Top Thrill 2. First up, we had to start with the classic Millennium Force. There's nothing quite like cresting that 310-foot hill, staring straight down at the park and Lake Erie. It's pure speed, massive airtime, and that smooth as glass track. Next, we headed over to Frontier Town for Maverick. Don't let the wooden aesthetic fool you. This thing is an absolute machine. Between the tight turns, the sudden subterranean launch, and that insane beyond vertical drop, it keeps you completely on the edge from start to finish. And finally, the main event, Top Thrill. Getting the rollback is already a legendary experience, but feeling that backward launch up spike before flying over 420 feet, top hat at 120 miles per hour, absolutely unmatched. This is a roller coaster that has the thrill. It happens so fast and is so exhilarating. I would say this was my favorite. Maverick was number 2. Millennium Force, I'm gonna go with 3rd on that one. Now for my secrets and my top tips, I would definitely say go early in the season, middle of the week. There's no lines, you can get right in, and you can save a couple of bucks if you stay on property at the hotel. We stayed at Hotel Breakers, which allows you to get into the park an hour early. So I was able to ride 2 rides before the gates even opened up. That makes it worth it right there. Just being able to walk in, get on the rides and ride through. Try to stay on property and get in there early, set out which rides you're going to go on. And as far as the pictures and videos from it, see if you can have a friend record you. I paid for the pictures, and I wasn't too happy about it with the pictures that I got from it. If you do have, let's say, some glasses that you can record with, they will let you ride the roller coasters with those glasses on, but they have to be secure with a rope and everything. That was my experience at Cedar Point, the roller coaster capital of America. I'm calling it. It was definitely a lot of fun. Have you ever been to Cedar Point? Do you plan on going to Cedar Point? And what's your favorite roller coaster? Let me know down in the comments. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I will see you all soon.